So students, today we will be discussing the difference between your fixed capital and this is what we call fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating, cap means capital here. Clear? So fixed capital methods are only to be prepared when the capitals are to be fixed. And if nothing is being indicated in the question, we always assume that the capitals are fluctuating. अगर फिक्स होगी तो वो खुद क्लैरिफाई करेगा बच्चों पेपर में या क्वेश्चन में. अगर कुछ नहीं कहता तो capitals are always assumed to be fluctuating. So we have the difference, number of accounts to be maintained. First difference he has made in your book, number of accounts to be maintained. When the capitals are being fixed, 2 accounts are to be maintained. Yesterday also we have discussed, that is capital account and current account. Capital accounts will get changed only when the additional capital is being introduced or the capital is being withdrawn by the partner. And when I am preparing fluctuating capital, I will just be preparing a single account because all the entries are related to appropriations. I will be passing to my capital account. Right? तो इसमें सिर्फ एक ही अकाउंट बनता है, इसमें 2 अकाउंट बनते हैं. One is capital, another is current account. Frequency of change. Fixed capital method में the capital doesn't change so often. ठीक है? Usually capital change नहीं होती, लेकिन यहाँ पे fluctuating capital method में capital or the balances with every transaction gets changed. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 exceptional cases हैं, and I am repeating that exceptional cases for you here when the fixed capital was getting changed. That was, बोलो, when new capital is introduced, right? Or when the capital is withdrawn, right? The capital is withdrawn. So only 2 exceptional cases, और ये आमतौर पे transaction होती ही बहुत कम है. Very rare circumstances that these transactions will be occurring. So frequency of change इसमें बहुत कम है, लेकिन इसमें हर transaction के साथ आपकी capital change हो जाती है. Transferring the transactions. Transactions are relating to capital is only to be transferred to the capital account, and all other transactions are relating to appropriations, drawings of profit, etc. is to be transferred to current account. And in fluctuating capital method, all the transactions are relating to appropriations, interest on drawing or drawings, etc. are to be passed through capital account. Capital account always has credit balance. Yes, this is very, very important. If the capitals are fixed, right? तो capital का हमेशा credit balance. ये question आता है, under which method the capital will have always a credit balance? Otherwise capital का negative balance हो सकता है भाई. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे तो हमें कैपिटल का पॉजिटिव बैलेंस ही दिया होगा. And in the fixed capital method, what was the opening balance? That is going to be remain same, except the exceptional cases. तो fixed capital method में कैपिटल का हमेशा क्रेडिट बैलेंस होगा, लेकिन फ्लक्चुएटिंग में आपका क्रेडिट और डेबिट दोनों बैलेंस हो सकता है. Means any of your partner may withdraw more than he invested. So hereby credit or debit both balances. Yes, you have to retain forever. It is only in fixed capital method that we will be having credit balance only of the capital. But when the capitals are fixed, we do have both the balances, either credit or, this is or by not visible, credit or debit, both, right? So this was the difference. Now let's see the next. So this is difference between capital accounts and what we call current accounts. So capital accounts are only to be prepared when the capitals are fluctuating, and current accounts are to be prepared when the capitals are fixed. This is the one difference according to me. Rest of the differences we will see what the author is saying, what the book, your book is writing. तो पहला नीड ही है भाई. नीड में क्या लिखा है? कैपिटल अकाउंट्स इज मेंटेन्ड इन ऑल द केसेस whether the capitals are fixed or fluctuating. क्योंकि फिक्स है तो कैपिटल अकाउंट बनने हैं, लेकिन साथ में करंट भी बन जाने हैं. फ्लक्चुएटिंग में बनने ही क्या है? कैपिटल अकाउंट, राइट? And current accounts are only to be prepared when the capitals are fixed. Balance of account. Capital account will always have a credit balance when the capital fixed capital method is followed. And in fluctuating capital method, abhi discuss kiya, the capital account may have debit or credit, but current account may have debit balance, may have credit balance, कुछ भी हो सकता है nature. In case of fixed capital, capital account generally remains unchanged from year to year. It only changes when the additional capital is being introduced or the capital is being withdrawn. What about current account? Balance of current account does not change when the capital is introduced or withdrawn by a partner, because current account में सारी appropriations or income which we charge from our partner, that is only to be introduced. Transactions. Capital account records the amount invested by the partner. Current account records the transactions such as drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, commission, bonus, etc. So nature of items he has discussed, right? So now we have Mudit and Sudhir. 12th illustration देखिए, when the capitals are fixed and fluctuating. एक ही क्वेश्चन को दोनों मेथड से करना। Let's see. ऐसे दोनों मेथड का कभी आएगा नहीं, इकट्ठा नहीं आएगा, लेकिन because he wanted to teach you the way how the things are to be written, he is doing the question in a comparative manner, so that with the help of a single question you may come to know what changes are to be there when the different methods are being followed. So we have illustration number 12. See that illustration. We have Mudit, Sudhir, partners. We have Mudit and Sudhir. They are the partners. Their capitals are 60,000, 20,000 on 1st April 2020. Net profit before giving effect to partnership deed हमें दे रखा है 24,000. Deed में बोला है सुधीर को सैलरी दे देना. So Sudhir is getting salary 6,000 per annum. आपको क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट दे रखा है, ये सैलरी से पहले, एप्रोप्रिएशन से पहले. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दोनों का खुद ही उसने कैलकुलेट करके दे रखा है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल himself is giving, that is 3,600 and 1,200. Interest on drawing C is giving, that is 200 and 100. आपसे क्या पूछा है? How will be profit distributed between Mudit and Sudhir? Also prepare capital accounts of the partners along with their drawings account if the capitals are fixed. पहले capital fixed का ही करते हैं. When the capitals are fixed, all the entries I will be passing with current account, and this time the entries will run in my mind. ठीक है, तो मैं पहले क्या बनाऊंगी? P&L appropriation, फिर मैं क्या बनाऊंगी? कैपिटल अकाउंट, साथ में करंट अकाउंट, because the capitals are fixed. And then what more he is asking? He is asking to prepare drawings accounts as well, right? बनाते हैं जी, चलो जी करते हैं. Let's see. So this whole funda you have to keep in mind. एक की सैलरी है, दो की इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. Let's see when the capitals are fixed. Case number 1. Case 1. When the capitals are fixed, so when the capitals are fixed, we are supposed to prepare capital account, and simultaneously with it, we will be preparing current accounts as well. So this is what P&L appropriation account. To show the distribution of the profit, we always prepare P&L appropriation account. So here is my given profit. That profit I will be transferring. Either I will be writing by net profit brought down, or I will be writing P&L account and net profit in bracket. It depends upon you how you show it. So I will be going with the shortcut way, by net profit brought down. Both are correct. Then we have Mudit's salary, but what I will be writing, I will not be writing Mudit's capital account. I will be writing Mudit's current account. Because when the capitals are fixed, सारी appropriations current account से pass होती हैं. And in bracket, I will be writing salary to tell my examiner, that is 6,000. Then what we were having? We were having interest on capital, 3,600 and 1,200. So I will be writing again interest on capital. Then I will be putting the hyphen to identify or to specify my different two partners that are Mudit's current account. Again, current account में जाएगा ये. Then Sudhir's current account. And that was, I think, 3,600 and 1,200, right? दोनों का interest on capital दे रखा है, 3,600 and 1,200. Then interest on drawing he was giving. Again, I will be writing interest on drawings. Then I will be putting the hyphen over here. एक का 200 था, दूसरे का 300. Sorry, दूसरे का 100. This is what for Mudit's current account. And this is Sudhir's current account because the capitals are fixed. 200 and 100. What we see? The total of my debit side comes to me 24,300 total I will be writing at the top. Otherwise, you will be writing at the bottom by, right? Minus kariye. This is 10,800. I will be deducting. 24,300 में से 10,800 deduct करिए. 0, 0. This is what 5. This is what 3. This is what 1. 13,500 is the profit, and you know, पूरा question मैंने read out कर लिया. He is not talking about any profit sharing ratio, so they are being assumed as an equal partner. So that's why he has divided the profit into equal part. यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? To profit transfer to once again to their current account. Profit will also go to the current account. To profit. Profit the way your book is writing. 13,500 transferred to Mudit and Sudhir. Both will get 6,750 each. Right? So this is the way. Again, you will be writing the same system. That all you will be doing at the bottom by. Right? So this is the way how to wind up your profit and loss appropriation account. Now come to the next. He has asked capital account by now. I will not be making it individually minded. Every time throughout the chapter, we will be preparing the capital accounts collectively. So same manner we will be following here. Why to change the method? तो यहाँ पे हमारी इस बुक की थोड़ी सी वीकनेस रहती है, कभी इंडिविजुअली बना देता है, कभी combined. Why not combined every time? Right? So I will be preparing combined capital account, combined current. So their capital accounts balances are being given 60,000 and 20,000. पहले capital accounts ही बनाते हैं बेटा जी. Let's prepare capital accounts. What you see, if the capitals are fixed, तो जितना इनका opening balance होगा उतना ही closing होगा, क्योंकि कोई भी entry capital account में मैंने transfer नहीं करी. Each and every entry I was plotting with the help of what? Current account, right? So let's see. Here I go with capital accounts. See, this is for particulars. This is for Mudit. This is for Sudhir. Again, particulars, Mudit and Sudhir. How the capital accounts are to begin? By writing the opening balances. So here I go with that opening balance. आप लिख दीजिए ऊपर पहले. Let me write it for you. This is for particulars, right? This is for Mudit's capital. I am not preparing separately minded. Again, on the next side, I will be writing particulars. This is for Mudit and this is for Sudhir. M and S I am putting, right? चलिए जी, by balance. Bottom 60,000, 20,000. As the capital is fixed, it is going to be same. यही balancing figure आ जाएगी. Two balance कर लेना. This is 60,000. This is 20,000. How easy it is. When the capitals are fixed, मेरे को capital को change ही नहीं करना. हाँ, yes. यहाँ पे वो थोड़ी सी complication डाल सकता था. He may give you a reference that additional capital is being introduced by one of the partner, and the capital is being withdrawn by one of the partner. तो मैं इसको plus or minus कर. लेकिन because he is starting with the simplest case, so that's why he is saying it is going to be same. टोटल भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. डबल लाइन का मतलब ही क्या है? ऊपर वाली फिगर ही टोटल बने. ठीक है, सिंगल फिगर ही तो है, टोटल क्या करें? तो यही अगले महीने की बिगिनिंग में बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट हो जाएगा. 60,000 in Mudit's column and 20,000 in Sudhir's column. Any doubt to anyone till now you may ask. किसी को कुछ पूछना है, कोई query है, you can write your query in the chat box. I am here to solve your queries, right? So he prepared it individually, he prepared it separately, I prepared it collectively. Now I will be proceeding to prepare my current accounts. Yes, students, let's see current accounts. After capital accounts, again I will be preparing current accounts collectively. This is particulars. Again and again I write it. M for Mudit, आप पूरा नाम लिखेंगे. S for Sudhir, आप पूरा नाम लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे again particulars. This is for Mudit, this is for Sudhir. So we don't have any opening balance of this what we call current account, but we do have certain appropriations. So let me start with the first appropriation, which we call salary. I will be writing P&L appropriation account, and in bracket I will be writing salary. So Sudhir was only getting salary. Then I do have what? Infrastructure capital. Again I will be writing by P&L appropriation account, or directly you can write by infrastructure capital. right? Interest on capital was 3600 and 1200. दोनों तरह से ठीक है भाई. 3600 and 1200. Then we were having interest on drawings, which we write on the reverse side. Interest on drawings from first partner 200, from second partner it was 100. Now balance it, right? So इस साइड का total 3600 है भाई. नहीं, one thing I missed. That is distribution of profit. So by P&L, appropriation account, bracket में you can write profit distribution. Both were getting same profit. 6750, 6750. अब total करिए बेटा जी. 0, 5, 13, 10. 10,350, right? Matching with the book. How much I have to deduct from it? Yes, in the question we were having drawings as well. Question में drawings भी हैं. कहाँ लिखी है drawings? Interest on drawings he has given. Where is Mudit's drawing? Nowhere it has been written. So simply deduct this 200. You will be getting the answer which will not match with your book, because drawings we are not able to find in the question. This is what two balance carried out. Then what we have 12,750, 13,750, 13,950, 13,950, 100 you will be deducting, so it will be 13,850. So this is what your current account balances, which is again appearing on the credit side. Yes. Again, drawings account we will not be in a position to prepare because drawings he is not giving me in the question. ठीक है, drawings इसको देनी चाहिए थी. One line is missing in the question, I think. Somebody texted me something. Let me read. Misprinting है ना, बिल्कुल ठीक तनीषा. Right, it's misprinting, and you can put to the drawings की एक line put कर लीजिए. That is 6,000 and 4,000, so it is not printed in your book, but he put it in the question, right? So when the capitals are fluctuating, I will second case I am picking. Your P&L appropriation account में सारी entries capital account की help से होंगी. So in that case, I will not be preparing your current account. I will just be preparing capital accounts, and I will just be changing their role. बाकी सारी चीजें यहाँ पे ही लिखी हुई है पहले से. So ये balance I will remove. देखना क्या change होगी. So I will be converting this current account to the capital account when the capitals start fluctuating. I will be calling it capital account. All the entries related to appropriation I will be writing over here. So capital accounts always get started with what? Opening balance. I do have the opening balance of capital given in the question. That is 60,000 and 20,000. But let me confirm it again from your book. Yes, this is 60,000 and 20,000, right? Buy balance brought down 60,000 and 20,000. बस ठीक खत्म. बाकी सारी एंट्रीज तो हमने पहले से ट्रांसफर कर लिए. Again, I am just skipping the drawings because drawings is not given in the question. So I am misprinting है, पर statement में तो नहीं है ना. So we are solving the question as per the given statement. Clear? Any doubt to anyone? करिए total जरा. This will be 9, 10,300, 70,350, 200. This is 70 by 70. 70,350. Yes, matching with the book. 200 minus कर दीजिए. You will be having a balancing figure. Two balance carry down 70,250 rupees. 26 और 7 33 33,750. 33,750 में से 100 minus करिए. 33,650. So this will be your balancing figure when the capitals are fluctuating. और when the capitals were fixed, जितना opening balance था उतना ही closing रहा, क्योंकि जब capitals fixed होती हैं तो हम कोई भी adjustment entry capital account में transfer नहीं करते. So this was the way he wanted to tell you how differently we will be solving the question when the capitals are fixed and fluctuating, right? So let's proceed to the next portion. So next topic we are going to pick here, remuneration, salary, or commission. Though already we have discussed that indirectly or indirectly in our questions. Or commission by firm to a partner. he just wanted to discuss sometimes in the question he may write commission after charging such commission. अगर before charging such commission है और commission most of the time net profit पे ही रहेगी, so net profit will be given in the question. आप उस net profit का rate अगर before है तो ये +1 में मैनेजर कमीशन में लगाया होता है फॉर्मूला net profit into rate divided by 100. अगर आफ्टर चार्जिंग है तो नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर कमीशन वी विल बी टेकिंग रेट, लेकिन नीचे 100 प्लस रेट से क्या किया करते थे डिवाइड. सो दिस इज ओनली द चेंज ही इज डिस्कसिंग विद, नथिंग एल्स, राइट. सो लेट्स पिक द इलस्ट्रेशंस रिलेटिंग टू इट, देन वी विल सी सर्टेन बैक एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. और ये सब कुछ आपको पता है, एंट्रीज बताई हुई आपको. कमीशन की एंट्री क्या होगी? पार्टनर्स कमीशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इफ द कैपिटल्स आर फ्लक्चुएटिंग. If the capitals are fixed, then partners current account is to be credited. Then partners commission we will be transferring on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. The two entries already discussed in the beginning. I discussed all the entries are related to appropriation. ठीक है, तो अगली एंट्री क्या बनेगी? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू पार्टनर्स कमीशन, राइट. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद illustration number 13. Read it everyone. So I have in the question two partners X and Y are two partners. This is example number 13. In the next period, we will be seeing certain back exercise questions, right? X is to Y. X is to get commission. X को commission कैसे देनी है? 10% on net profit before charging such commission. Before charging such commission का मतलब क्या? Simple formula लगना है. Rate divided by charging such commission, rate divided by 100, right. Y को भी commission है, okay. Y is to get, Y की commission भी 10% है. Net profit पे है after charging on net profit, after charging all commissions. What it means? उसकी अपनी कमीशन के बाद भी और एक्स की कमीशन के बाद भी. क्वेश्चन में दो ही तो कमीशन है, वन इज एक्स कमीशन एंड अदर इज वाई. व्हेन ही इज राइटिंग अ वर्ड ऑल कमीशन मींस उसकी अपनी कमीशन के बाद का प्रॉफिट लेना है. सो हियर बाय द फार्मूला गेट्स चेंज्ड, दैट इज रेट डिवाइडेड बाय 100 प्लस रेट, दैट इज 100 टाइम्स से डिवाइड करेंगे. चलिए जी, लेट मी नो द प्रॉफिट फर्स्ट एंड हियर आई गो विद एक्स कमीशन. एक्स कमीशन कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? लेट्स सी दैट. नेट प्रॉफिट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 55,000. सिंपल फॉर्मूला 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 so 55. ठीक है, अब y की कमीशन निकालेंगे. y की कमीशन कैसे निकलेगी? अगेन वी हैव टू टेक द प्रॉफिट बिफोर कमीशन ही लेना होता है हमेशा फॉर्मूला. नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर चार्जिंग ऑल कमीशन. तो एक की कमीशन कैलकुलेट हो चुकी है, उसकी कमीशन माइनस कर देंगे. जो हो चुकी है वो तो माइनस करें, इसकी अपनी तो अभी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, वो थोड़ा माइनस करेंगे. 55,000 minus 5,500. This profit I will be taking, so that will come to me 49,500. Now the formula gets changed. 110 divided by 110. So whatever you will get, that is I think 4,500 होना चाहिए. So let's see 4,500. 49,500 into that is 10 divided by 110. So this time it will come to us 45. So this whole scene he wants us to show in the profit and loss appropriation account. So let's prepare P&L appropriation account, students. Let's prepare P&L appropriation account. Only one appropriation he is giving, right? एक ही appropriation दी है उसने. That is profit and loss appropriation account. By net profit brought down, or you write by P&L bracket में you write net profit. दोनों write. Whenever I speak about this, I repeat two sentences. Either you can write by net profit brought down, or you can write what P&L P&L account. In bracket you can write net profit. So I go with the shortcut again. By net profit brought down 55,000. क्या लिखे मैं यहाँ पे? to X capital. ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए कमीशन टू वाइस कैपिटल. अल्टीमेटली सारी एप्रोप्रिएशन कैपिटल अकाउंट्स में जाती है, यहाँ पे भी कमीशन लिख दीजिए. और वर्किंग नोट्स में हाउ वी कैलकुलेटेड कमीशन दैट वी शो, वो हमने पहले से ही शो कर दिया होगा. दिस इज 5500, दिस इज 4500. सो ओवरऑल 10,000 माइनस करिए. your profit will come to you 45,000. कुछ नहीं कहा तो partners में profit equally divide होगा 22,500. Hereby internal column you will write to profit transfer. Any doubt to anyone you may ask? Any doubt? Any query you may ask? You may send your query in my chat box.